Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove a person from any photo using Snapseed on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Then, tap the plus icon to import the photo you want to edit. At the bottom, tap Tools and find and select Double Exposure. Tap the image icon at the bottom to import the same photo again. Then, drag the second image slightly to the side so it overlaps with the person you want to remove. Tap the water drop symbol and slide the opacity all the way to the right. Then tap the checkmark button to apply the changes. To erase the person, tap on the layers icon at the top. Select the View Edits, choose the double exposure. Tap on Edit Brush button and start brushing over the person you want to remove. If needed, use the Healing Tool to fix any blemish or imperfections. Then, to save your edited photo, tap the checkmark button at the bottom right. Click on Export and choose Save to store the image. Then open your Photos app and check out your clean, person-free image. And that's it. You've successfully removed a person from your photo using the Snapseed. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more photo editing tips. Thanks for watching!